Hello everyone, I hope you had a great weekend. It's Sunday evening. I'm KNWA and Fox 24 Chief Meteorologist Dan Scoff. I wanted to give you this webcast extra because we are looking at the potential for flash flooding as well as some severe weather overnight Monday and into early Tuesday morning. We're going to hammer out the timing and tell you why all this is going to take place or why we have the potential for it. But first of all, we're going to start off talking about this big weather system for Monday. Now, on Monday, it should remain off to our west until late Monday evening. That doesn't mean we're going to see rain before that, because we will, overnight tonight and into our Monday morning, we're going to see moderate to heavy rain, but the ingredients will not be there for severe weather. Now, on Monday evening, there's an enhanced risk of severe weather. This will be updated at midnight, overnight into early Monday morning from the Storm Prediction Center. But severe weather is looking likely over a large area in western Oklahoma, north central Texas, and the eastern Texas panhandle. Now, that eventually will shift off to the east on Tuesday morning, and I'll show you that. But first of all, this is the expected surface map to develop on Monday evening. There's going to be a warm sector, which is the area between the cold front and the warm front. This is where all that severe stormy activity will take place. A very strong low pressure system has also going to develop in western Kansas. Now, on Monday night into Tuesday morning, that cold front, occluded front, and warm front will shift off to the east. And what does this do? Well, that's going to bring the potential for severe weather located in this region, which is called the warm sector. Now, that's mainly going to be in the River Valley as well as parts of northwest Arkansas. At this point, it's not quite certain as to exactly where that track will take place. But we are looking at that severe thunderstorm potential in that warm sector between the cold front and warm front for mainly overnight Monday and into early Tuesday morning. Now, the low-level winds will be transporting moisture up from the Gulf of Mexico, and they are rather strong. So there will definitely be plenty of wind shear, which is the turning of the winds with height, along with the increasing of the wind speed with height. So there will be abundant wind shear for rotating thunderstorms, and that jet stream will be flowing overhead from the southwest to the northeast. Now, here you can see the rain that's moving in Sunday night and into early Monday. That rain will be moderate to heavy at times, but not necessarily severe. Here comes the low pressure system on the west coast of the United States. It's an intense low, and it's got that jet stream energy working its way in. Now, again, on Monday, the severe weather threat will be off to the west of our area, but that will transition eastward on early Tuesday morning. And you can see all that cloud cover and rain. Now, the reason we won't see the severe weather on Monday is because the moisture won't be there. But look at this surging up from the Gulf of Mexico. So by Monday evening, obviously, the area of concern is north central Texas with that higher moisture into southern Oklahoma. But Monday night, there you can see it starting to surge. And in the River Valley, possibly as early as Monday evening before midnight, then it surges up even more after midnight with dew points in the mid-60s. Now, this is going to be plenty of fuel for these thunderstorms, and another dry line is going to set up in eastern Oklahoma, followed by a cold front that's going to move in as we head into our early Tuesday morning hours, and then that risk will eventually start to shift off to the east. But there is that severe weather risk, which will be updated again early Monday morning by the Storm Prediction Center, and again Monday late morning into the afternoon at around 11:30. Of course, we'll give you the latest updates for that risk Monday night into early Tuesday. At this point, we are under a marginal threat, but I think this could get shifted north, and especially areas in the River Valley as the instability looks to return. Now, the future track is showing this rain pushing in from the southwest, so this is non-severe. This is early Monday morning into Monday afternoon. Then we get a break in the action, and this is what we need to watch for. These isolated cells that will develop as the low-level winds begin to increase Monday night and into Tuesday morning. Yeah, the rain gets heavy, but that's not even the end of it. And then we got these individual cells that could pop up with plenty of wind shear and instability. That could lead to the potential for some isolated tornadoes, along with damaging winds as a threat. And notice the time here. 5 a.m. Now, that is early in the morning, so we are looking at a potential for a severe weather event early in the morning on Tuesday while you're sleeping. Of course, we won't be. We'll be tracking all the latest. There it is, moving out by Tuesday late morning. Again, this timing could change as the speed of this system continues to be refined and updated. But the main threat for these storms will be, again, early Tuesday morning while you're sleeping into late Tuesday morning and finally shifting east by Tuesday afternoon. And there's also a flash flood watch that's in effect. It's in effect for the entire area Monday night into Tuesday night, and rightfully so. Look at these rain totals. Anywhere from 3 to 5 inches of rain. You can see 3.49 in Rogers. In fact, there's so much rain, the numbers kind of cover up each other. So we are looking at that potential for severe weather. Another strong system. The potential is there overnight Monday into Tuesday morning. We'll give you the latest here, and we'll refine this severe weather update tomorrow evening, giving you the latest timing as well as the location of the severe weather along with the latest Storm Prediction Center risk. So that's the latest from your weather authority. Keep it here for the latest severe weather information.